Ndewo, aham bụ Chizonwa. I am excited to be your Igbo language teacher for today. I'm passionate about helping others learn our beautiful language. Today we are going to learn some basic Igbo greetings that you can use in everyday conversation. So we are going to start with this popular Igbo greeting, Ndewo. Okay, Ndewo. Can you say that? Ndewo. Good. Okay, so what will be your response to Ndewo? When someone says Ndewo, you respond with Ndewo kedu. Ndewo kedu. In English, that would be hello, how are you? Since Ndewo is like saying hello, hi, hey there. Okay, so now start from the top. Ndewo. Response. Ndewo kedu. Okay, and what will be your response to kedu? Since kedu is the short form of kedu kimere, which is how are you? The response to kedu kimere is adimumma. Adimumma. Some people will say odimma, but that's not like personal. Okay, odimma is like saying it's okay, it's all good, everything's fine. But if you want to be personal, you say adimma, which is I am fine. Okay, so let's start from the top, like we're having a conversation, you and I. Okay, so ndewo, ndewo kedu, adimma. Well done. You just learned how to greet someone in Igbo and how to respond appropriately using the Igbo language. But there is one thing, another response to Ndewo, a popular and traditional Igbo way to respond to Ndewo. If you want to know, you have to meet me in the next session. And don't forget to sign up for my classes if you want to learn more about the Igbo language and culture. Thank you so much. Dalurine.